Hello students, now in this session I will explain question number 6 A, B, C, D of exercise 5.2. So let's see what we have in question number 6. So how many right angles do you make? Okay, how many right angles do you make when initially you are facing south and turn clockwise to west? Now you have to make a figure. So this is the figure you have to make first. Very important figure. Okay, now just name the directions. This is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. Now initially which direction we are facing? South. So we are facing south, isn't it? We are facing south, and in which direction we have to go? Clockwise. That means this direction we have to go, students. Okay, this is a clockwise direction. So we have to take clockwise direction and we have to reach to west. Fine. So we are facing south and we will go to west. So this is west. Fine. So how many 90 degrees we have moved? You know that these all are 90 degree, isn't it? So only one 90 degree we have moved, isn't it? So we'll write it down. So write, if we start facing towards south and turn clockwise to west, so how many degrees we have to move? We have to move how many 90 degree? Only 190 degree, isn't it? So we have to make, or we will move or make, whatever you want to say, one right angle. So this is how you will conclude the solution. Fine. Now let's move on to sum number B. Here. So what we have in sum number B? So initially we are facing north. So initially we are facing north and we have to turn anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise direction, students, these are all very important things, and finally we have to face east. So let's draw the figure. So this is the figure we have to draw. Okay. So let's point out the direction properly. So this is north, this is east, south and west. Now according to the question, initially we are facing north, isn't it? Now which direction we have to go? We have to go anti-clockwise direction. That means in this direction we have to go, students, this direction, and we have to reach to which direction? Finally we have to reach east direction, isn't it? So first of all, from north we have to reach west, then from west we will reach south, and from south finally we will reach to east. So how many 90 degrees we are making? So how many 90 degrees? From north to west we have made 190 degree, from west to south we have made another 90 degree, and from south to east we have made another 90 degrees. So altogether how many 90 degrees? 1, 2, 3. So 3 right angles we have made. So what we have to write here? So we will write, if we start facing towards north and turn anti-clockwise to east. So we have to make, or we have to move 3 right angles. 3 right angles. Okay. So this is a solution of sum number B. Now let's move on to sum number C. Yes, now it's very interesting question. So now we are facing west and doesn't matter you are going clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction, you will again have to face the west direction again. So west to west. So we have to draw two figures for this question. Two figures. Okay, now let's do it. So we'll show that it doesn't matter that if you move clockwise or anti-clockwise, okay, the total number of right angles that will move is same for both the cases. Fine. So that is north, east, south and west. This would be west, north, east and south. Okay. So this diagram will show the clockwise direction, and this diagram will show anti-clockwise direction. Okay. So we are facing what? West, isn't it? So if we are facing west, now we will take clockwise direction. That means this direction will go. This direction will go. So 190 degree, 290 degree, third 90 degree, and again we have to come back to west only. So 490 degrees. So this is one complete round, student. So one complete round means what? How many degrees? 360 degrees. And 360 degrees divided by 90 is what? How many 90 degrees? 490 degrees, isn't it? Now very similar thing we'll do it here also, but this time the direction is little different. Now initially we are facing west. Now we will do clockwise direction. Sorry, this was anti-clockwise direction. Now we will move. So anti-clockwise direction means what? In this direction we will move. Okay. So from west to south we have to move first 190 degree, then south to east another 90 degree, again east to north we will move another 90 degree, and then north to west final 90 degree. So it is also one complete round. So one complete round means 360 degree, and 360 divided by 90 means how many 90 degrees? It will be 490 degrees. So now let's write it down. So if we start facing, towards west and put it inside the bracket, clockwise or anti-clockwise to west, we have to make one complete round. We have to make one complete round, or you can say 4 right angles. So one complete round is equivalent to 4 right angles. Fine. So now let's move on to the last sum of today's session, that is sum number D. So what we have in sum number D, we are facing south and we have to turn to north. Now they have not given the direction again, so again we have to go for the 2 diagrams. That is, this diagram will show the clockwise direction. If you move clockwise direction, so how many 90 degrees will move, and this diagram will show anti-clockwise direction, and then we have to check that how many 90 degrees we have to make if we go anti-clockwise direction. So this is north, east, south, west, north, east, south and west. So this figure will show clockwise direction, clockwise, and this will show anti-clockwise. Fine. Now we are facing south, isn't it? We are facing south, and we will take clockwise direction. That means this direction will go. Fine. So for that, and we have to reach where? North. So from south to west 190 degree, and then west to north. So this is our destination. So how many 90 degrees we have moved? 2 when we are going clockwise direction. Now what if we move anti-clockwise direction? Here also we are facing south. Now anti-clockwise direction means we have to move in this direction. For that we have to reach east first. So this would be 190 degree, and from east to north. So this is our final destination. So east to west means another 90 degree. So again we are making 2 right angles. So it doesn't matter that if you go clockwise from south to north or anti-clockwise from south to north, we will make 2 right angles. Okay. So let's write the statement. So if we start facing south and turn, again give bracket, clockwise or anti-clockwise to north, we have to make 2 right angles. 2 right angles. Okay. So I hope all of you have understood these 4 sums. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. God bless you all and take care.